Hello, my name is Andy Moss. I'm responsible for business development with our strategic accounts, focusing on cyber recovery services at DriveSavers Data Recovery. Since 1985, DriveSavers has led the way in data recovery, helping businesses and individuals recover from even the most challenging data loss scenarios. Ransomware is malicious software distributed through phishing emails, malicious downloads, or compromised websites. It encrypts data, often after allowing cybercriminals to steal sensitive information. Once victims are locked out of their systems, the attackers then demand payment for a decryption key. If the ransom isn't paid, the victim is often threatened with exposure of stolen data on the dark web. Our customers generally fall into two categories: partners and end users. Our partners include digital forensics firms, incident response teams, cyber restoration companies, and others who integrate our services into their offerings. End users range from small businesses to large enterprises, schools, hospitals, and government agencies. A common data loss scenario involves attackers deleting backups and production servers before encrypting the remaining systems. This renders businesses unable to access critical applications or files, causing operational downtime, financial loss, and potentially reputational damage. Ransomware can also result in serious legal and compliance issues if sensitive data is breached. At DriveSavers, we've developed tools and techniques to recover encrypted and deleted data following ransomware attacks. Our engineers, with decades of experience in storage and server technologies, are able to restore deleted backups, production servers, and recover other vital systems. We also maintain the highest security certifications such as SSAE 18, SOC 2 Type 2 to ensure that your data remains confidential throughout the recovery process. If your business has been affected by ransomware, our team is available 24/7 to address these emergencies. Every recovery is tailored to the unique circumstances of the attack, leveraging our experience and proprietary tools to deliver results others simply can't. Contact us today to learn more about our ransomware recovery solutions by calling 1-800-440-1904. DriveSavers. We can save it.